It looks really, really nice. That matte finish definitely did its trick.
The quality of it too as well came out really good.
Awesome.
Feels the wizard with the DTF with Monte. Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric, we imprinted. Transfer superstars, yeah, we tinted.
In this DTF design tutorial, we'll show you how to create an eye-catching zombie gamer design using Procreate in just a few easy steps. Let's begin. First, let's draw a rough sketch. Tap on the circle at the top right corner to choose a color. I'm going to use a reddish tone for the sketch. Then tap on the brush icon to select a brush. We'll use 6B pencil from Sketching Panel for the sketch. Start drawing your artwork using pencil. Once done with the sketch, tap on the Layers icon at the top right. Tap on the sketch layer and select Rename. We'll name the layer to Sketch. Click on the plus icon to create a new layer. Click on the brush icon and select Inking. We'll use Technical Pen for the inking part. Change the brush color to black. Scroll on the top slider to adjust the brush size. To undo, use 2 finger tap on your screen. Now, start tracing the lines using brush. Once done with the line art, tap on the Layers icon and hide the sketch layer by unchecking the box on the right side. We will thicken the line art stroke using a different brush. Tap on the brush icon to select a brush and choose Baskerville. Start tracing the line art and make it thicker. Once done with the line art, open the Layers panel and tap on the line art layer. Choose Reference. This will reference our line art layer and it'll make the coloring part easier and faster. Create a new layer and place it under the line art layer. Select a color that you like. Click, drag, and drop the color to the part you want to color. It'll fill that area automatically. Create a new layer again and repeat the same steps to the remaining parts. Once done with the flat colors, we will add shadows and highlights. Open the Layers panel and tap on Line Art Layer. Uncheck Reference. Create a new layer and place it on top of the part you want to add shadows and details. Tap on that layer and select Clipping Mask. This will control layer visibility based on the shape of the bottommost layer. Start drawing shadows and highlights using different colors. Darker shade for shadows and lighter shades for highlights. Repeat multiple times to achieve better depth. Do this to all parts. Once done with the illustration, we will add text. To add text, tap on the wrench icon and click on Add Text. Type a text you want for your design. To adjust the size of the text, click on the arrow icon or transform tool and scale the text to make it larger or smaller by dragging the anchor points. Click on Warp at the bottom and drag the bottom anchor points downwards to make an arc. Add another title by going to the wrench icon and click Add Text. And we're done. Now, let's try it.
Hey superstars, I'm excited to share some fantastic updates from our website that will actually transform how you order and design your prints. We've always focused on efficiency and ease, and to continue that tradition, we're introducing a brand new auto build tool on our gang sheet builder site. This tool is a game changer from our creative customers who want control over the designs, really quick inputs for their easy arrangement. With this new feature, you can customize your gang sheets exactly the way you want it, as quickly as you like. All right, guys, we are back with the prints. Let's take a closer look at them. All right. Damn, they came out really nice. Very, very high in quality. All right, let's get to the shirt. For our blanks, we got our extra large black t-shirt. Is the Next Apparel brand. The model number is 3600. If you guys are interested, we'll put a link in the description below. For our heat press, we got our Heatmaster Prisma. It has a 16x20 layout and a 10-inch pullout. Also has threading capability, so we can easily do any type of project. All right, let's get started. And for this heat press, we do have our lasers that help us align the shirts better. So if you guys are interested in that as well, we do have that link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. It came out really well. Everything about it, since it's not even that big, it's really, really nice. And the quality of it too as well came out really good.
And I don't know if you guys could tell, but that matte finish definitely did its trick on showcasing itself. It looks really, really nice.
All right, let's check the back. Gamers don't die, we respond. I like it, it looks good. Everything about it looks amazing. And again, showcasing that matte finish, I don't know if you see up on there, but it just showcases itself. It looks good. Give it one up to our designers. They did a great job. All right, awesome. There you guys have it. We showed you how to do a gamer related design through Procreate. Then we printed it out for DTF and slapped it on to next level apparel. Now we got a shirt that I honestly would see in some stores. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you guys are looking for any DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. We would love to earn your business. All right, that's it for me for now. I hope you saw value in this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Peace.